because we use the word somewhat, which is a nefarious term. According to my wife, she says I can't stay clean of anything. Whoa. Somewhere down here there's a brake pedal I'm going to catch hold of well enough to lift back up. It's like a porpoise coming up. There it is, it's getting there. Paint's coming off of it. I'll probably be able to wire brush this down next week. Ready to prime. But I guess you wonder what the soup is. The soup is drain cleaner crystals mixed in about 25 gallons of water. And I prefer this particular crystal drain cleaner. I will warn you though, if you use it, put the water in first and then put the drain crystals, because if you try to add water on top of the drain crystals, it makes a gas, which is very irritating and not good for your lungs. But as an update, good morning from central Louisiana, just a few miles west of Dry Prong. It is a warm, humid central Louisiana day. And what I'm showing you now is the results of 2 weeks in my drain cleaner solution and a quick rinse over by the hose pipe. And if you notice, it took off all the old paint down to even down into the bottom of the grooves. There are a few red vestiges if you look close, but a quick once over with the wire wheel and everything here will be ready to paint. So this is where I'm at with this tractor. You can see I have primed a good bit of it. There are still some what I call offending spots left that I haven't got to yet. You know, this one's going to be fun, and to get to the oil seal, which is way back over in here, I might have to pull the shaft, which goes way over here all the way out, and disassemble it down to get to the oil seal. I understand there's some shims in there, but ensure the bevel gears mesh correctly. But all this here originally started on trying to replace the brakes on this unit. They were kind of questionable. Of course, they were questionable because they had a thick buildup of grease on the bands. So I'll toss those back in my box of things to hang on to. I may soak them in gas for a few weeks and see if somebody else wants them. But I have wire brushed in here. I've got to get back and do it again. See if I can get it all down and prepped enough I can prime it. That's been my point, is if I work a small area, I prime it down so it will be stabilized till the next time around. I did have my lovely bride out here with the needle scaler working on the wheels until the air compressor cratered. So after a month of waiting on them to decide what they were going to do warranty wise, it's on its way back. So maybe we'll get back to working on these wheels. But while I'm working on the wheels, I've got to pull the hub, rim, tires and all off completely, because in order to replace the oil seal here on the drive shaft, of course you've got to get everything off so you can get down to it. So, and the PTO shaft be next. So there's a lot of things to do. It's just, I just don't always have the gumption first thing in the morning to do them, but that's where I find myself. So y'all folks have a good day. Say goodbye, Bo. That's a dog. That's a boy. Where you at, Belle? You being elusive? Belle. Hey, tell the folks goodbye. Tell them have a great day. And y'all have a great day. Bye.